Welcome you all once again to this MCQ discussion platform where we give you the MCQs and options along with it, so it becomes really helpful for all the students to revise just before the examination. So today's case is a patient presented with the case of diabetes mellitus with hyperpigmentation of both the arms and micronodular cirrhosis. The biopsy showed iron deposit. Okay, so what is the options which are given in the question? The first option is acute hepatitis. The second option was Wilson's disease. Third is the hemochromatosis. And fourth one is the alpha 1 antitrypsin deficiency. Okay, so the answer here is your hemochromatosis. Why it is the answer? So हेमोक्रोमेटोसिस देयर इज एन आयरन डिपोजिशन. नाम से ही पता चल रहा है कि एक्सेसिव आयरन डिपोजिशन हो गया. हीम यानी कि ब्लड टूट के फिर उसमें क्या आएगा, आयरन. सो आयरन डिपॉजिट हो गया. क्रोमेटोसिस मतलब कलर दे रहा है. ठीक है, तो देयर इज एन एक्सेसिव आयरन डिपोजिशन मोस्टली सीन इन केसेस ऑफ डायबिटीज मेलाइटस. इस कंडीशन को ब्रॉन्ज डायबिटीज भी बोला जाता है. ऑल्सो इट इज सीन इन एक्सेसिव केस ऑफ ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन. ज़्यादा ब्लड चला जाएगा तो ज़्यादा आयरन डिपॉजिट हो जाएगा. ठीक है, विल्सन डिजीज पहले ही एक्सक्लूड हो गया क्योंकि इट इज़ अ डिपोजिशन ऑफ कॉपर. सो एग्जामिनर जानना चाह रहा है, एग्जामिनर वांट्स टू नो whether you know about the deposition of hemochromatosis and Wilson's disease or not. Okay, third option is straight away ruled out. Acute hepatitis is straight away ruled out. Why? Because initially hepatitis doesn't lead to cirrhosis. Now fourth option looks a weird option, but it is somehow related to cirrhosis. Why? Let's see. Alpha 1 antitrypsin deficiency, this is related to defective elastin formation leading to the emphysema in lungs, but it also leads to the formation of cirrhosis in liver. Okay, so alpha 1 antitrypsin deficiency can cause cirrhosis in the liver due to the defect of serpina gene 1. Okay, but it will not lead to hyperpigmentation. So the only answer left is hemochromatosis. I hope you find this useful. See you in the next video.